I am seeking
Hello everyone, my name is Sarosh Patel and I have completed my BCom graduation from Neswadia College of Commerce. Currently I am pursuing the CIA course from ICA Tilak. When I was looking for a good accounting course, I came upon the ICA Institute from Google, where an ICA consultant helped me take admission in the CIA course. The CIA course consists of modules like Tally, GST, DT and BCA. The CI course also consists of simulation softwares that help me learn about ITR filing, GST filing and TDS filing practically. Since I've joined the course, within 4 months I got my first job and I'm currently working as an accounts associate at Nexdigm Private Limited with a monthly salary of 16,000. Thank you.